some did play with such a skill that those nearby could not stand still, and over Ireland they did dance, down through England, Spain and France, over the hills and a long way off. The wind shall blow my top knot off.
Hello. I think I'm just about ready for a cup of tea. Everyone here at Audley End House likes a good cup of tea. Lady Braybrook makes hers herself in the house with her own urn. She, I'm told, has it very weak, and she has it made from expensive Indian tea leaves. Here in the kitchen we like ours stronger and with a lot more sugar, and naturally we have the cheaper China tea leaves. This is how I like the girls to make a pot of tea for the kitchen. Firstly, warm the pot. Then add just under a tablespoon of leaves to the pot for each person. Pour over the boiling water. Then pour the tea into your cup. Now I like my milk to go in second, but Mary Ann, the kitchen maid, always puts her milk in first. And don't forget to keep the tea leaves so the housemaids can use it to clean the carpets. So there you have it, the perfect cup of tea according to us at Audley End House. Others may argue that their way of making tea is the perfect way to it. The most important thing is to make it how you enjoy it. And of course, when you have a cup of tea, don't forget the biscuits.
Now it's 8 o'clock. Jerry is a little bit late tonight. The dusk is deepening. Soon the nightly battle of London will be on. This has been a quiet day for us, but it won't be a quiet night. Searchlights are in position, the guns are ready, the People's Army of Volunteers is ready. They are the ones who are really fighting this war. Brokers, clerks, peddlers, merchants by day, they are heroes by night. Not Hollywood sound effects. This is the music they play every night in London, the symphony of war. London can take it. London can take it. London raises her head, shakes the debris of the night from her hair, and takes stock of the damage done. The sign of a great fighter in the ring is, can he get up from the floor after being knocked down? London does this every morning. There is no panic, no fear, no despair in London town. London can take it. London can take it. The night is long, but sooner or later the dawn will come. London does this every morning. There is no panic, no fear, no despair in London town. London can take it. London can take it. The night is long, but sooner or later the dawn will come.
On the farm, every Friday. On the farm, every Friday, every Friday.